What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and Note season is finally upon us. The Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will be officially announced this Wednesday, just a couple days from now, and we're expecting to see some major changes to the Galaxy Note lineup. I've already got my Galaxy Note 10 reserved, hopefully you do as well. These are the top 10 new features of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Let's go ahead and get started. There are a lot of interesting new things coming to the Galaxy Note 10, but to me, one of the most exciting features is the all-new super fast charging. This is going to bring 25 watt or maybe even 45 watt charging to our Galaxy Note devices. Samsung devices have been stuck on ancient adaptive fast charging since the Galaxy S4. We're finally getting an updated charging, which means we're going to be able to almost fully charge our devices in about 30 minutes to an hour. This is going to be insane. I'm really looking forward to faster charging times on Galaxy Note devices. The next new feature is the nearly bezel-less display. The Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will have a single hole punch cutout on the center of the display, similar to the hole punch cutouts that we've seen on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, except this time it's going to be in the center of the display, which means it's not going to get in the way when you're trying to swipe down your notification panel. I also like the fact that the chin on the bottom is barely there. This is as close to bezel-less as it gets, and I'm so happy that Samsung decided to totally skip the notch that the iPhone is doing and go with this cutout display. The next new feature is the all-new ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. We've seen this on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, but as you remember, the Galaxy Note 9 had a hardware fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone. We're going to have, once again, the fingerprint scanner on the front of the phone like older Samsung devices, and it's going to be that ultrasonic fingerprint reader. This means it's going to be able to read your fingerprint even if your finger is wet or if you have dust or grime, because it's taking a 3D image of your fingerprint. This will be secure enough to use with applications like Samsung Pay. On the S10 and S10 Plus, it's super fast and accurate. We expect to see the same on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. With that bezel-less display, you can actually get a larger screen into about the same body size of the phone. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus will feature a behemoth 6.7-inch display, while the standard Galaxy Note 10 will feature a 6.3-inch display. I'm personally a huge fan of large displays, so I'm glad to see the 6.7-inch variant coming to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will be performance powerhouses. They're going to feature the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and a base model of 8 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage. We're expecting to see 12 gigabytes of RAM on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. That could also be reserved for the Note 10 Plus 5G variant. Hopefully we will see a base model of 12 gigabytes of RAM on the standard Note 10 Plus as well. Either way, this is going to be a super speedy, super fast device. The Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will also feature reverse wireless charging. This is Samsung's power share option. We've seen it already on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. This is an incredible feature for charging your smartwatch or charging your Galaxy Buds on the go. I really enjoy that on the S10 and S10 Plus, and I'm glad to see power share make its way over to the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus. When it comes to battery life on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, we should be getting an improvement over the Note 9. The standard Galaxy Note 10 will come with 3,600 milliamp hours of battery. That is down from 4,000 milliamp hours on the Galaxy Note 9, but if you do opt for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you're going to get 4,300 milliamp hours of battery. The Note 9 was able to last a full day and then some with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, with the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor having even better battery efficiency. I can't imagine how long the battery will last with a 4,300 milliamp hour. We should be able to get anywhere between 6 and 10 hours of screen on time with this new phone. We're also expecting an updated S Pen. The new updated S Pen will of course have Bluetooth just like the Galaxy Note 9, but we're also expecting some new air gestures to come along with the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The final new feature, and possibly one of the most exciting features, is a new 5x optical zoom lens on the rear of the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This lens will use the periscoping method that we've seen on devices like the Huawei P30 Pro. We're going to be able to get super clear, crisp, zoomed in photos with that 5x optical zoom. I'm super excited about that new feature on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. As you can see, we've got tons to look forward to on the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Do you think all these new features will be a good enough reason for you to upgrade to the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus over the Galaxy Note 9? As I mentioned earlier, I already have my reservation in place. I'm ready and hyped to buy the new Note 10. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.